Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to carve text into this pyramid. This tutorial is a step-by-step tutorial and easy to follow. In no time, let's get started. Download the image of a pyramid and open it in Photoshop. Select the Type tool. In this tutorial, I will be using the American Captain font. You can use your own font if you want. Make sure the text is set to align to center. Then write out your text. Go to Window tab, then select Character. Make sure the text layer is selected. Hover over the text and highlight the text at the top. Then drag the text size slider to increase the size. Do the same for the second text and also the text below. After you are done, select the Move tool and move the text to fit the pyramid. Then click on the layer, right-click, and select Rasterize Type. Hold Alt to use the Perspective tool. Around the edges, hold it, and drag to make the text an overlay over the pyramid. Move around all the edges and do the same. Make sure to fully overlay it all over the pyramid. Click on the pyramid image layer, then click on the double arrow and select Duplicate Layer from the options. Choose New under Document. Name it as Displacement, then click on OK. Go to Filter, then Blur, then select Gaussian Blur. Blur it by 2 pixels. Go to File, then Save As. Locate the path, then click on Save. Close the displacement. Select the text layer, then go to Filter, Distort, then Displace. Make the horizontal and vertical scale as 7 pixels, then click on OK. Locate the displacement file. Click on it, then click on Open. Reduce the opacity to 77%. Select the text layer, click Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Make the fill as 0%. Right-click on the layer, then select Blending Options. Select Inner Shadow. Make the distance as 7 pixels, then the size as 3 pixels, then click on OK. Click on the eyeball to hide both the layers, then open any logo of your choice in Photoshop. Go to Select, then Color Range, then click on OK. Use the Move tool to move the text to work path. Resize the text to overlap the pyramid. Hold Alt, then click on the corners of the text to make use of the Perspective tool, then continue to resize the text. Make the layer active by clicking on it, then go to Filter, then select Blur, then Displace. Make the horizontal and vertical scale as 7 pixels, then click on OK. Locate the displacement file. Select it, then click on Open to open the displacement file. Reduce the opacity to 80% by dragging the slider. Click Ctrl+G to duplicate the layer, then make the fill as 0% by dragging the slider. Locate the blending options of the layer. Hold Alt, then drag it to the layer above. Click on the New Layer icon to create a new layer. CR on the Layer Mask icon. To create a layer mask, select the layer. Click on the Color icon. I will be using this color pattern. It is DEEAC 89, then click on OK. Hold Ctrl, then click on the layer. Select the Blending Mode overlay, then toggle with the opacity slider. I will be using 53%. That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.